Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Claudia. I'm grabbing a bite before I start cleaning, guys. You're probably wondering what she's doing. I thought it was a cleaning video. Yes, guys, you are in the right place. It's a cleaning and decorating video. So I'm rearranging my living room and cleaning and steaming the carpet because it's absolutely filthy. Go and watch my first video that I put out before this one, and I hope you enjoy this video enough to subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe. So guys, I've got here this Steam Mop to get all these stains, attempting to anyways. Putting water in here, and hopefully it will help me to get rid of some of the stains in the carpet. I bought these many years ago from Home Bargain, and I believe it was only $24.99, and I've used once, so it has different settings. It has got different I've lost others, but it has got varies, and I think it's quite, you know, it's quite cool. Used properly, it's got different ones, you know. Just hope it takes all that stain away. So that's the manual anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I don't know if I should put carpet cleaner, you know, like that stain removal one. Let's see what happens here. I'm not sure if there's water pouring down this way. Oh gosh, I think I've done it wrong. I don't think I've done it correctly. Oh my god. Is this right? What do you think, guys? I think I've done it wrong. Let me stop that. I'm not sure. Honeys, I was doing all wrong, I have to say. I could have taken the attachment from the top off, first of all, and it has got a handle, if you see underneath there. I figured that out a bit later, but I managed to get that sorted. Hey, happy days. Guys, things did get better. I managed to get the hang of it, and that smoke is purposely. It does come out smoke, and it's just steaming basically, and it did a good job. You guys see at the end. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Welcome, and thank you so much to all my new subscribers. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think that helps to get all that dirt. This is a very good quality carpet, but it needs a proper clean. a different attachment to take all the gunk out. It looks pretty cool. It's got with some stains, you know, just food, debris and stuff. So this is a cloth pouch. Getting it clean, guys. Deep cleaning. You see all this dirt. Then I can just vacuum. Saying that. Guys, I'm nearly there now. I've got my Prosecco that I bought last night. I've got a Vogue magazine with the Lady Gaga. Later on, it'd be nice to have a look at some of these dripping gorgeous designers in here. Wow, this is incredible. Look at that. Yes, this is what feeds my soul. Feeds my soul. I'm die hard fashion type of girl. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to sort out this table, and I'm going to sort out those little sofas over there. Well, not that so little. And I'll have overlook for you guys. Show you everything completely.